This patient came in complaining of chicken skin underneath the eyes. And what this is are just little sebaceous glands that become noticeable over time underneath the eye. It's not that there's anything wrong, they're not medically pathologic, but sometimes it becomes more obvious as the skin thins over time. As we start to lose collagen as early as our 20s, and we lose 1% of collagen each year and 10% each decade, this thin, delicate under eye skin can show the adnexal structures a little bit more significantly than they do when you're younger. But nothing to worry about, this is totally normal. It's also confused often with syringoma, which are just little benign adnexal structures in the skin, or milia, which are like little structures that can happen in this area as well. But nothing to be alarmed about, and using treatments that can help stimulate collagen will help make them look less noticeable. Doing Fraxel, profractional lasers, CO2 resurfacing, and lasers and energy-based devices can increase collagen stores to make them look less noticeable as well. But nothing to worry about, just chicken skin is actually normal.